Welcome back to my channel again. In this video we are going to study about atomic structure. Okay, now after the class you are able to explain the composition of an atoms, and also you are able to define atomic number and mass number, and moreover you are able to draw the atomic structure of first 20 elements. Tubga. Dabin first nalu the what is mean by atoms. Now the atoms are consist of particles such as protons, neutrons and electrons. Now protons are positive in charge and neutrons are neutral in charge, and electrons are negative in charge. Now the protons and neutrons are always found in the nucleus. Protons and neutrons are present inside the nucleus, and electrons are found revolving around the nucleus. Darwin, this is the general representations of an element. Now here the X represents the element, and Z represents the atomic number, and A represents the mass number. Example, oxygen. This is oxygen, and the what is the atomic number of oxygen? Atomic number of oxygen is 8. And what is the mass number of oxygen? The mass number of oxygen is X is element oxygen, and 8 is atomic number, and 16 is mass number. This is the general representations of an element. Now next we have is atomic number. What is meant by atomic number? Atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. The atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. And the atomic number is denoted by Z. So in an atom the number of protons is equal to number of electrons. So in atom the number of protons is always equal to the number of electrons. Therefore when atom is electrically neutral. Atom is always electrically neutral. So atomic number we calculate atomic number. So we have the formula to calculate atomic number. So atomic number is equal to number of protons or equal to number of electrons. So atomic number is denoted by Z, and the protons is denoted by P, and electrons is denoted by E. Now Z is equal to P equal to E. Tawin analu example chitani tuga. Da analu protons kadams do analu protons tigams do. Protons we have is 8 protons. Tele neutrons comes to neutrons the 8 do. Proton 8, neutron 8. Tele how many electrons are revolving around the nucleus? Kadams do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number of protons is equal to number of electrons. The calculate bini the atomic number the calculate the atomic number is denoted by C. The atomic number the calculate bini tuga the analu given we have is proton kadimsido 8 do proton 8 do tele proton 8 do neutron kadimsido neutron is also 8. The formula kadivide, so atomic number is equal to P or E. Protons number kadimsido 80 mevade. So directly atomic number is equal to 8 koimo koiga anibe the atomic number is equal to protons or electrons the protons kadam chidu nanalu 8 that means the atomic number is 8 koimo the next we have is a mass number. What is meant by mass number? Mass number is the sum of the number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom. The mass number means the total number of protons and neutrons which are formed in the nucleus. Present in the nucleus is mass number, and the mass number is denoted by A. So mass number, how to calculate mass number? So mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. So A is equal to P plus N, or mass number is equal to atomic number plus number of neutrons. Ka use beru tup nalo tuga. So A is equal to Z plus N. Or A is equal to P plus N. Same tuga. The example chitage the analu example chitani me. So analu katim chidu tanalu protons the katim chidu protons we have is proton comes to 8 do neutrons comes to 8 do tele electrons comes to 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 do. So nalu ya the protons is equal to electrons imade dabin the mass number calculate be imade gasidi mendra mass the mendra gachamu gasidi kasi search be gumo mass di mass number di calculate be the mass number calculate be dalu the mass number calculate be dalu formula di mass number is equal to proton plus neutron imade formula di koimo tabin proton kadam sidu nanalu proton kadam sidu 8 do proton 8 do ana proton 8 do plus neutron kadam sidu nanalu neutron 8. So 8 plus 8 is 8 plus 8 kadam simo 16 koi tabin ani atomic number di tani atomic di mass number di gam sime mass number di 16 koimo. Therefore the neutron is equal to mass number minus atomic number koimo. So the tangachigi atomic number calculate by mass number calculate by mu tabin neutrons the neutrons the calculate by ni. How are you going to calculate neutrons? In order to calculate neutrons, the neutron is equal to mass number minus atomic number. Simply tuga. So neutron is equal to mass number minus atomic number tuga. Example nalu potassium atom has an atomic number of 19. Yeah, atomic number the 19 do. 19 and the mass number of 39. Mass the comes to 39 do mass the. I mean, what is the neutrons in atoms law? The atomic number comes to 19, mass number the 39 do. Darwin kasi calculate by gobe neutrons. So neutron is equal to mass minus mass number minus atomic number. So mass comes to 39 minus 39 minus atomic number the 19 do. The answer the comes to answer comes to me. Taben neutron the gadam choi neutron the 20 koimo the analu gadibamo neutron is equal to atomic number minus atomic number gachilo the neutron is equal to mass number minus atomic number bedalu 39 minus 19 is equal to 20. The 20 is the neutrons tubga. So that is the answer, and if you have any doubts please comment in the comment sections tubga, and Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.